Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x is equal to 2 square root of 2. We have given 4 to the power x is equal to 2 times square root of 2, or here we can write 2 square because 2 square are same as 4 whole to the power x is equal to, here we can write 2 to the power 1 because 2 to the power 1 are same as 2 times, here we can write 2 to the power half, or here we can apply this exponents rule. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Apply this rule, here we can write 2 to the power 2x is equal to, and here we can write this exponents rule, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Apply this rule, here we can write 2 to the power 1 plus half, or 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power, here lowest common multiple is 2, so we can write 2 times 1, that means 2 plus this 2 divided by this 2 is equal to 1, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1, or 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. Now see, here are same base but different power, so we can use this exponent rule. A to the power b is equal to a to the power c, then b is equal to c. Apply this rule, here we can write 2 to the power 2x is equal to 3 over 2, or we need the value of x, so here divided both sides by 2, we can write 2 to the power x over 2 is equal to 3 over 2 divided by 2, or this 2 cancel out this 2, so x is equal to 3 over 2 times 1 over 2. So the value of x is equal to 3 times 1 is equal to 3 over 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.